Hey guys, welcome back to Filmora Mobile Course Season 2 and you are watching the episode 3. Today we are going to dive into the world of mobile vlogging, so let's explore some tips and tricks for shooting the video to editing using your smartphone with the Filmora Mobile app. To vlog with your phone, definitely get a selfie stick like this or a gorilla pod. This will help you widen the view and handle the phone properly. Of course, if you don't have anything with you, hold the phone with your hands stretched out and shoot the video. The biggest challenge with mobile vlogging is shaky footage, so it's better to lean onto a surface or a wall to get a steady shot. Of course, if you can invest in a gimbal, that's perfect. For stationary videos, the best option is to buy a tripod or selfie sticks like this with a stand mount. I got it for just $3. If you have to walk around, walk with a purpose like a ninja to get the most steady shot possible. There are some mobile stands or holders you can carry in your backpack or even pocket. So all of these are under $1 or $2. This Gorilla Pod I bought for just $5 and it's just the perfect tool for mobile vlogging. But with a selfie stick, you can get a much wider view. Nowadays, smartphones come with optical image stabilization and also electronic image stabilization. Make sure you use the right resolution, at least 1080p, and also 30 fps or 24 fps for cinematic shots, and for 60 fps you will get a smoother video. Audio is the most vital part, and invest in a quality audio tool which comes with a phone mount, and you can record wireless audio with professional quality. But there are cheaper options under $100, since you will be talking and also walking around, shooting outside, so you need to take care of the audio quality. With the Filmora app you can do noise reduction, so let me show you that first. Download and install the Filmora mobile app for Android as well as iOS. This is a full-fledged video editor every vlogger should have. So select and import the vlogs you have created. Now, as I mentioned before, for vlogs, the biggest challenge is noise reduction. So you get this option inbuilt into the software. With a single click, the noise is reduced and you get clean audio. After the noise reduction, the voice might get a little bit suppressed, so in the volume option, increase the volume level as needed. Also add fade in and fade out. Another big issue with vlogs are you are shooting in different scenarios, so you might get overexposed or underexposed videos. In the post-production on the Filmora mobile app, you can adjust the exposure and other parameters. So let me show you that. You can fine-tune with live preview and also compare before and after. You can see there is a huge improvement in the video quality. Also work with saturation, vibrance, and most importantly the black levels as well as white levels to get a good contrast and details. The thing is, you're shooting with your phone, so it will have low dynamic range, so in post production you can get a cinematic look just like a professional camera if you fine tune the parameters. So this is quite vital. Also play with color, temperature, tone, etc. One of the best things I like about the Filmora mobile app is you get numerous filters which are created in such a way that you can get the most professional unique look, especially for your vlogs, and these are nicely categorized. So find the perfect filter for your vlogs and make it stand out from the crowd.
Hello everybody, this is Shukesh and I am currently in.
So as you can see, the video quality improved so much as well as the audio quality. Another very interesting tool in the Filmora mobile app is animation. You can create intro and outro animations, and there are some combos. So with a single click you get nice animations like this at the beginning and also at the end. Now let's add some title animations. So here you get text option, click here and then click add. Now in the Filmora app there are some specific templates for vlogging, so go to the vlog tab here and choose the perfect one. There are so many to choose from. Find the perfect one, click and add to the video. You can resize it, move it anywhere, and also rotate a little bit. Without proper background music, your vlogs might sound a little bit dull. So with AI audio in the Filmora app, you can create your own audio. Simply select the mood, the theme, the duration of the video and generate. Add the music into the timeline, adjust the volume, and your vlog is ready. So this is the end of episode 3. I hope that it was useful. Export and you can upscale the video to up to 4K 60 FPS for smoother videos. The complete Filmora Mobile course playlist is in the description of this video, so check it out guys. Thanks for watching.